Atlanta, and it is raining. It's been raining the whole damn time. I'm actually about to drop me off to go to the Girl Boss tour with Anaya, which I'm super excited. Running a little bit behind because of the weather and stuff, and then he's gonna go do whatever, take to the room, all that stuff while I'm doing that. So it was also his birthday weekend, so yeah. So we got a couple festivities planned and all that. But yeah, I would have started vlogging earlier, but I had to finish getting myself together. I had to get my ponytail together, had to put my lashes on, had to put my nails on. Still had a lot to do. So that's why you just not coming to the lab. Your phone sound? No. But yeah. I'm not 100% in love with my eye makeup because I was brushing this morning. So, but you know what? We're just gonna make it work. Oh no, I think I might end up changing this lip color. He don't like it, but that's not why I'm changing it. I'm changing. I think I want it to be a little lighter. I wore this yesterday. So, yep, I'm planning to do a lot of networking at this event. I'm a little nervous because I am a little shy in these type of settings. So it's definitely outside of my comfort zone because I'm going by myself. I doubt there'll be anybody there that I know. So I'm just gonna have to put on my big girl pants, get out here, pass out my business cards and all that stuff. And what I gotta do, one of my goals for this event is to definitely get more followers on my business Instagram so I can have, you know, potential sales and all that stuff. And just make some more connections and stuff like that too. So it's just really important that I do that. That's like one of my main goals for this event.
The infamous Elle.
Try to get a night on the vlog, but everything went really well. Really enjoyed it. The lights went out on us. Was trying to play us, but it still went on without a hitch. Yep, the show kept going on. Let me see, where is she? Huh? Yeah, I am. I do. Girl, I came ready. I need a better case, but I have my business, my online business, and my. I forgot to. I was going to show you now.
You look so cute, by the way. What do you have a YouTube channel about?
It's about fashion, lifestyle. Like I do vlogs. I talk about working in retail because I worked in retail for like over 7 years. So I have like advice videos about that. It's just like fun stuff. You know.
I have a YouTube channel also, but I'm just trying to be like more consistent.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that too.
Are you in school?
No, I graduated in 2011, girl. I'm old. How old, girl? I'm 30.
What?
Yes. I turned 30 in April. Yes, girl. I'm 30. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I am on Instagram. Yeah. But you said, I remember you saying that when you were talking, you're doing like motivational stuff, right? I've been trying to find more content like that, more positive stuff. Yeah, it's kind of like.
It will be coming out.
Yes. What's your? Oh, you know Instagram. Yeah, because I had to like unfollow the shade room. It's too negative.
Yeah, me too.
I'm like, I can't do it. Because it's too negative. I found myself in the comments just looking at everything and just like, you know, I need to get out of here.
Yes,
I need more positivity.
I have to do
like,
that.
Social, like I need more positivity.
Yeah. Now I just like following people that are motivational, like Anaya and like
right.
People.
Yeah.
Like, so if I'm on there, I'm seeing good stuff, basically.
Right. See, I like that. I love a good ponytail. Side swipe, side swoop. I love a good swoop in a ponytail. I really do. Like, I literally. Anaya, do you mind being on my vlog? Hey y'all, look who I got.
Look, we made it rock though, the lights went on, but it's in there. Get into this coat. Do y'all see this coat?
Yeah.
Do y'all see the coat though?
Yeah, I see the got the blue one too.
But nah, this is fire.
Yeah. Meeting my BFF in my head, one of my BFFs.
And if you didn't come to the Real Boss Hope Tour, girl, what you doing?
Yeah, missed out.
And y'all better subscribe.